think Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum is about 354,000. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Juliet and I am the face behind Life with Juliet. You can see me as your BFF in beauty, lifestyle, soft life while still being on a budget. Today I'm going to be talking about my budget friendly skincare routine that keeps my skin glowing without breaking the bank. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now let's start with the morning skincare routine. I try to keep it simple yet effective. First, I start with my facial cleanser or my face soap. I use this face wash, so it's almost done. I'm almost done with it. Or I use this face soap. If you have an oily skin, sensitive skin, these two are really good. Either one of them, you can go for them, and they are quite affordable. I think I got this like 4-5, and then this should be around 2,000 to 5. I can't remember, but yeah, quite affordable. Then I go with my serum. During the day, I like to use vitamin C serum, so I can either use this Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum or Face Fact vitamin C serum. I recently just started using this one because I wanted, you can see this is almost done. I wanted to go get this one, but I didn't see it, so I just decided to go for this, and it's not bad, but I'll always go for this. I think Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum is about 354,000. Then I got this one for 5k, I think. Yes, I think I got this for 455,000 though. I've forgotten, but it's within the range of 5,000. Now for my moisturizer, I use this during the day. This is a anti-pimple and blemish face cream, and it also has a bit of sun protection, so I like to use this during the day, and it's good for the skin. Although I don't use it all the time, but I think I got this like 1.5 or thereabouts. Quite affordable, quite effective. And of course, since this is during the day, don't ever go without your sunscreen. So I use the Estelle sunscreen that is also tinted. This is the tinted one. They have the normal one, but I prefer this tinted one. A very good sunscreen, doesn't leave white cast, and it also feels like a moisturizer. So definitely you will like this. I think I got this like 4.5, so you see, very affordable and still does the work. Now for my night skincare routine, I basically use the same set of face soap, face wash, either of them, like the same thing. I don't have a specific face soap, face wash for morning and for night. Now during the day, I use vitamin C serum. Now at night, I'm going to use either a hydrating serum. This is Goji face serum soothing hydration, so it's a hydrating serum. Got this for 2,500, and then I go with a hydrating light moisturizer during the night. So I use this most time at night, sometimes during the day. Got this one for 8.9 also, I've forgotten, but 8 something. 2 times a week I use a retinol serum, and I also use a salicylic acid. Mind you, I don't use this together, so I could use this like Tuesday, Wednesday. For this is a salicylic acid. This is basically like a chemical exfoliant. It helps with shrinking pores, black hairs, you know, all those stuff, yeah, and oily skin too. So I use this like, let's say, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then at night too. That's what I'm talking about, this during the night routine. And then I use a retinol serum, let's say Saturday and Sunday. It's a very good serum. Helps with anti-aging, helps with dark spot and the rest. And so this is twice a week. This is also twice a week during night, and not to be used together. You can decide to use a hydrating serum while you're using either of the two serums, and then you go ahead with your moisturizer. I also got this for 2,500. Then this, I think I got this like either 4,500 or 5,000 thereabout, I can't remember, but around that range. But before you get things, always check for reviews. Some people sell fake, so always check for the difference between the fake and the original, so you don't go get yourself the fake one and start reacting to it and say, oh, Juliet told you to use this. I'm not even telling you to use this. I'm telling you this is what works for my skin, and I have an oily skin which is prone to blackhead, prone to acne. So this is what I use, and they're quite simple, not too much thing going on, and they're effective for me. So if you want to use the same things I'm using, fine and good, you can go find them. Just make sure you read reviews, make sure you see the ingredients and be aware of the ingredients that are in this product to see if there's anything you're reacting to, and also research to know the difference between the fake and the real, so that you don't go get yourself fake. I promise you, there are fakes. There are fake products around. Maybe not all have fakes, but I'm telling you there are fakes. So just to be on the safer side, research on those things before you get them. Okay? Now, bonus tips. You know, because I am a nice person, I'm going to give you a few bonus tips that will help with your skin, because you might be doing things right, using the right skincare routine, but still your skin isn't working. So I'm going to give you these bonus tips to also help you out. First is drink enough water. I know this sounds cliche, but try to drink enough water. As you're trying to hydrate your skin, try to hydrate the inside. You get me? Avoid sleeping in makeup. I don't even need to tell you this one. I don't know why you should be sleeping in makeup. I don't care how tired you are. You go and wash your face, wash it properly, unless you are going to wake up and you won't like your skin. Even if it doesn't react immediately, in the long run, you are going to react to it, and we don't want that. We want a glowing, healthy skin. Get so wash your face, wash your pillowcases regularly, at least weekly, once a week. Wash your pillowcases. And the last one, have patience. Any skincare product that will tell you that, oh, you will see immediate effect, like maybe in a day or so, go on, pick your slippers, dust it and go on. That is lie. You're going to damage your skin. You need to have patience with your skin. You need to do things patiently and wait. Don't be doing 20 things at once and say, oh, this is not working. After 1 week, you say, oh, it's not working, you dump it and get another one. You're just going to tire out your skin and you won't see the effect. You will not even know what is working or not. You get me? That's it, my loves. I just want to remind you that budget skincare can still work with consistency. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments your favorite affordable skincare products. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time. Bye.